Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. Today we are going to convert BGA ICs like that to USB and use it as USB stick. Here is my BGA IC bank with different shape. I have one SC USB converter, micro SD, nano SD, and here I have emate-pro with socket, and I have one converter here to connect the cable to use it as USB. The question is, the emate-pro need EasyJ tag or not? The answer is it can work standalone and no need the EasyJ tag pro when you're going to use that as USB stick. I will connect the emate-pro to the cable. Here is my BGA IC to use it as USB. Here is a sign that we need to do like this. The sign and the sign over the IC. Close. The IC type is BGA 529 and my IC as shown before is BGA 529. Is ready to connect to the USB. Let's go. Very well. As soon as I plug the USB to the USB port, it's going to detect as stick and be able to use it as drive.